It's 5 to 6 in the morning. I'm on the way to the airport this morning with Mitsubishi to go test the new Outlander in France, Marseille to be exact. There does seem to be some weather about. There's a lot of wind, but I also see a lot of heavy cloud and overcast. So quick pack was full, but I'm out now, on the way. Doing okay. That's hard cases. Just got here into my hotel. I'm going to do a quick room overview. This is my garden. I have a garden. Look. That there is actually the entrance to my hotel room. This is the bedroom. Bed here, chairs there. The view from the bed. And inside the wall is a television and some other accoutrements. Just a coffee and stuff in the fridge. This is the sauna. This is my sauna in my room. And this is my walk-in shower. Shower head's there. Try to take the toilet by surprise. Watch. They're my sinks, both of them. Picture of a completely topless lady. I have no idea why. So this is the walkway that leads up to my apartment, which is here, right there. See, tucked away with the glass front, this little thing here. That's my apartment. Just over here, just between the reeds, is a swimming pool. See, beautiful. Close my hotel room door. Shit, I knocked down the whole tree. I think I broke my hood. What I really came here for was a drive of the Mitsubishi Outlander, which I'm going to do a full review in a different video. Now we're going to get back to a little bit more travelling. In all the hotels I've ever stayed in, this is probably the most relaxed one I've ever been in. That you can just kind of wander around. Look, there's a lavender field. Would you like some lavender? And over there, pool. Man swimming. And I'm going to go down to the restaurant, which is a big tree thing, and get some lunch before we go. It's a neat little feature here. I'm on a stage. This stage I'm standing on here. There's a little path over to where the audience hang out, and but it's actually on a lake here. The lake, around. It goes right out to the stage, so I'm actually on the stage. Walk over. See a little blue dragonflies right here. Neat, huh? It's inside, the barriers inside that lake there. Really pretty. Yes, this is the indoor section of having lunch. If you want to have lunch. Where I actually had lunches up there under those trees. Gotta leave my beautiful hotel room. Whoa, blowing out there, boy. Because the background looks like this. That's my bed. And I gotta pack all that crap into that bag and move my ass out of here. Let's go. In Dublin airport. Brought the weather with me a little bit. Kind of postcard. So I'm all done for the weekend. I'm back out flying again on Monday. I'm going down to Portugal or somewhere. But right now I'm going to drive home in my RS3, baby. Let's do this. Give me that sweet burble. Cold, so it says max engine speed 550 RPM. I'm going to get my phone out right now, plug it in so I have Apple CarPlay, and stick on some sweet tunes for the weekend that's in it, and then head home to the wife and kids and have a lovely time. Farewell, good citizen of Earth. Until the next time, see you on the far side.